Ever get that feeling like you just want to dive deep into something, like really explore it?
Yeah, definitely. I think that's why we're all here, right?
Right. That aha moment. Well, today we're diving deep into some natural at-home hair treatments, specifically getting smoother, frizz-free hair. And you know what? You probably already have the key ingredients sitting right in your
I
kitchen.
love that. Kitchen remedies, like going back to basics. So what are we looking at today?
Our main source is this text all about natural hair treatments, and we're zeroing in on two superstars, coconut and coffee. They each have their own unique benefits for hair health.
I have to admit, I am very intrigued. I use coconut oil for like everything, but I haven't thought about coffee for hair.
Exactly, and that's what's so cool about this deep dive. We're going to uncover those secrets, and the best part, these are simple, practical things you can easily incorporate into your routine.
So no crazy complicated recipes or hard to find ingredients.
Nope, just straightforward goodness. Let's start with this coffee and honey hair mask that's caught my eye. You basically just mix 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds with 1 tablespoon of honey.
Okay, so far so good. I can already imagine how good that would smell.
Right. Then you add a tablespoon of coconut, either cream, milk, or oil, your choice. And lastly, a teaspoon of olive oil. Blend it all up until it's nice and smooth.
Sounds simple enough. Now I'm
Yeah.
curious about the why behind this. How do these ingredients actually help?
Well, take the coffee grounds. They have this gentle texture that could help exfoliate your scalp. Then you've got honey, which is a natural moisturizer.
Well, that makes sense. And the coconut and olive oil probably add to the moisturizing and conditioning effect.
You got it. So once
Yeah.
you've got this lovely smelling paste, massage it into your scalp, making sure to cover every strand of hair.
Okay, picture that. A nice scalp massage, a relaxing scent. It's already like a mini spa treatment.
Right. And then you just let it sit for about 30 minutes, let it really soak in, and then rinse it out with a gentle shampoo.
30 minutes. Not bad. I can see myself doing this while catching up on my favorite show.
And the source says this can leave your hair smoother, stronger, and more resilient. Pretty impressive for something you whipped up in your kitchen.
So it's not just about the feel, but also about strengthening the hair. That's interesting.
Right. And you know, coffee has compounds that some believe can contribute to hair strength. Now, let's move on to our second star ingredient, coconut. For this, we're making a coconut milk conditioner.
Ooh, coconut milk. That sounds luxurious. Okay, I'm ready for the recipe.
It's actually pretty simple. You blend 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated coconut with a cup of water and then strain it to get the milk. Fresh is always best, right?
Fresh coconut milk. Yeah, I bet that makes a huge difference. You're getting all those natural goodness straight from the source.
After you've washed your hair, you apply this fresh coconut milk from root to tip and leave it in for, you guessed it, another 30 minutes.
I'm sensing a pattern here. 30 minutes seems to be the magic number. So what's happening during that time with the coconut milk?
Think about how quickly coconut oil melts. The milk probably acts in a similar way, coating and conditioning your hair.
Ah, so it's like a deep conditioning treatment, and then you just rinse it out with cool water.
Exactly, and this is where it gets even more exciting. This simple treatment can help with detangling, add shine and smoothness, and even tackle that frizz we all know and sometimes love.
Okay, now I see why coconut is such a popular ingredient for hair. It sounds like a miracle worker.
Well, coconut milk is packed with fatty acids, which can help smooth down the outer layer of your hair, the cuticle. That's often the culprit behind that rough, frizzy texture.
It's amazing how these natural ingredients can address such specific hair concerns.
Right, and it just goes to show that sometimes the simplest solutions can be the most effective. The text also makes a point of saying that while these external treatments are great, what's happening inside your body also matters for healthy hair.
That makes perfect sense. It's like with skincare. What you put in your body reflects on the outside.
So while we focused on these topical solutions, it's a good reminder that overall health plays a role too. So to recap, we have two easy at-home treatments: a coffee and honey mask for strength and smoothness, and a coconut milk conditioner to combat frizz and boost shine. Both super easy to make with ingredients you probably already have.
And what I love is that it's not just about following a recipe blindly. We've also delved into the why, understanding how these ingredients work their magic.
That's the key takeaway, right? It's not just about following instructions, but understanding the science behind it.
Absolutely. And that knowledge empowers you to experiment and find what works best for your hair.
So as you're trying these out, pay attention to your hair. Do you notice a difference? Maybe it feels softer, looks shinier, or maybe it's easier to manage. This deep dive is all about giving you practical tools and knowledge to take charge of your hair care. So, ready to get experimenting in the kitchen.
Definitely, I know I am. And, it makes you wonder, what other hidden gems are lurking in our pantries and fridges?
That's the beauty of it, right? There's always more to explore.
Always more to discover.